Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install themes on Google Chrome. Simply click the three dots on the upper right and go down to extensions and go to visit Chrome Web Store. Now in this section, just look to the upper left and click on themes, and you can search on the left hand side different categories or scroll down and find something that you like. I'm going to choose something on the category, so let's go to the arts and design section here and see something. So let's go ahead and install. Maybe let's install this one, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on, for example, this one here. And we're going to just simply click on add to Chrome. And this is going to add the extension for you. And you will see it immediately changes Google Chrome. If you open a new tab, it's actually changed as well. And that's how you install a theme on Google Chrome. At any point in time, you want to remove the theme or add something else, you can add it. But to change it or to remove it, you can click the three dots again in the upper right, go to the Chrome Web Store by simply heading over to your extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, and this time you want to click three dots on the upper right and click on manage extensions and themes, and here you'll find your extensions and themes. You'll find the theme in the list and you can remove it if you no longer want it, right? And that's it. Very easy and very simple.